Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC geography question. So in this session, we added a new feature that is about the prediction for 2025 prelims. So what are the possible questions they may ask based on the analysis of the previous year question and also based on the current affairs. We are guessing that these are the questions they may ask. So please make a note of it. That will be more useful for your upcoming prelims exam. So let's begin the session. Okay. Again, this question was asked in 2020. It is about the famous places and the river banks. Okay. So, which of the cities are near to that river? So, that was the question they asked in 2020. So, again, when it comes to the type of the question, it is the factual current affair based question because they can't randomly select a famous place. These places are one or another way in the news, so they chose it. Okay. Next, the toughness. So toughness is actually it is moderate level and also pattern wise it is a easy pattern. Okay. So overall it is a moderate level question because only if you are knowing that Chandrabhaga is near to that Bandarpur means you can go for the answer. Okay. So these famous places are some of the toughest one. If you don't know that means you can't answer it. So let's discuss it. Bandarpur, okay, it is actually near to the Chandrabhaga, that is right. Tiruchirappalli is actually near to the Kaveri, that is also right. Whereas the Hampi, it is not near to the Mallaprabha, it is actually to the near to the Tungabhadra river. Okay, so the answer is 1 and 2. We will discuss this question. So first, Bandarpur. It is the city in the bank of the Chandrabhaga river in Maharashtra. Okay, this the famous Vittal Rukmani Mandir is located in the city. Next, Tiruchirappalli. It is situated in the river bank of the river Kaveri. It is a city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is famous for the Sri Rangaswamy temple is located in the Tiruchirappalli. Okay, so this is all about a temple place. Okay, the temple city near to which rivers are there. Okay, so this is the pattern followed in this question. So temples and the rivers near to it. Next is Hampi. So it is the capital of the Vijayanagar kingdom and is located in the bank of the Tungabhadra river. Hampi is located in the Karnataka. Many famous temples like Virupaksha temple and the Nandi statue is located in the Hampi. Whereas Pattadakkal is situated in the bank of the river Mallaprabha. Okay, so and is located in the Karnataka. So Pattadakkal is near to this Mallaprabha. So in the same pattern, okay, or else somewhat related to the factual things, they may ask about the Ramsar sites. Okay, so the new Ramsar site in the Sikkim, it is the Kichilopari. Okay, Kichilopari wetland in Sikkim. So it is originally known as Kachod Palri, meaning the heaven of the Bhatma Sambhava. Okay, the heaven of the Bhatma Sambhava, the lake is located in the Kichilopalri village in the West Sikkim. It is considered as the sacred by the both Buddhists and the Hindus and is believed to be a wish fulfilling lake. Okay, so please note that they may ask the question from the Ramsar sites. So we already discussed about the new Ramsar sites. What are the new Ramsar sites added in 2024? That thing we discussed, and also please note that we set a target that 75. Okay, so in the 75th Independence Day, we said that we have to recognize 75 Ramsar sites. We actually did that, and also Tamil Nadu is having the largest number of Ramsar sites. So there are many possible questions they may ask from the Ramsar sites. Okay, because we set a target and we achieved it, so there is a possibility for the question from the Ramsar site. So in that way, the Kichilopari wetland Sikkim is the one of the one. So it drains in the It drains the water from the Ramam watershed named after the Rama mountain. Okay, so this is the one of the new Ramsar site that recognized in the Sikkim. Another thing is it's a Pippala. So the Pippalapanka dam in the Odisha. It is actually in the dam between the Rusikulya river. It is the major river in the Odisha, flowing primarily through the Kandamal and the Ganjam and the Bodh district. The Rusimala hills, part of the Daringabadi hills and the Eastern Ghats range. Okay, so this Daringabadi, where the river originates and is located and is called as a Kashmir of Odisha, Daringabadi. Okay, Rusikulya river doesn't form a delta in its mouth. Okay, so other than that, you have to also know about the another two rivers, Narmada and then Tappi. This Narmada and Tappi also doesn't form a delta. The reason is it is actually flowing through the rift. It is actually flowing through the Rift Valley, so it doesn't form the delta. Okay, and also it is one of the two main west flowing river. So the Indian plate that moved from the Gondwana region and towards the Laurasia, okay, during the collision process, that created a fracture, okay, fracture in this region. Okay, so that led to the formation of this Narmada and Tappi. Okay, so the river that is flowing through this Rift Valley doesn't create a delta. That is also one of the important things. So other than the Rusikulya river, this Narmada and Tappi also doesn't form the delta region. So please make a note of it. And why it is not forming any delta is because it is flowing through the Rift Valley. That is the reason. Okay. So these are the possible questions they may ask for 2025. So please make a note of it. Thank you.